Do you really think gigantic dinosaurs only exist in books and cartoons? Not scared of the huge structures of dinosaurs? Now, let us tell you this. There are many huge discoveries that you need to know about. Some living elements exist with us in this world that you need to be concerned with. Do you want to know more about the biggest animals on Earth? You are in the right place. Welcome to World's Best and Worst channel, where we talk about the best and worst, the biggest and smallest things on Earth. In this video, we will be touring the past and the present to know more about the biggest of everything. Curious to know what this is about? Kindly subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you can be the first person to watch our next video. Done? Let's dive in. Largest ape, Gigantopithecus blacki. Gigantopithecus blacki is the largest ape that ever walked on Earth. Based on a 2 million-year-old fossil of an ape tooth, the Gigantopithecus blacki was about 3 meters tall. The gigantic ape weighed around 200 to 300 kilograms. With this great height and immense weight, the Gigantopithecus blacki was a menacing animal that black bears, lions, tigers, and other predators feared 2 million years ago. They were inhabitants of the tropical forest in southern China for 6 to 9 million years. Gigantopithecus blacki has been crowned as the largest humanoid to ever live. Mind you, humans, orangutans, gorillas, and chimpanzees are known as hominoids. Let's leave the past and visit the present for a moment. Largest animal on land, African elephants. African elephants, also known as Loxodonta africana, are currently the largest and biggest animal on land. The average height of male African elephants is around 3.3 meters, and the height of the female is around 2.2 to 2.8 meters. They are very large. The average mass of a male African elephant is around 6,100 kilograms, and that of a female African elephant is 3,200 kilograms. African elephants are even larger than Gigantopithecus blacki. They are called African elephants because elephants are classified into two species, African and Asian. The major differences between the two species are the gigantic size of African elephants and their large ears. African elephants can live up to 70 years old, as they have almost the same lifespan as humans. They are social animals that show affection by wrapping their trunks together. They are considered at a heavy risk of extinction, as their existence is being threatened by poaching and habitat loss. Poachers hunt African elephants mainly for their large ivory tusks. The next discovery is going to be shocking. If you are enjoying this video, kindly drop a like on this video and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Largest arthropod alive today, Japanese spider crab. Who would have thought that the largest living arthropod will be a crab? Japanese spider crab, also known as Macrochiria kympheri, is around 100 to 120 centimeters leg span long. To attain its length, the Japanese spider crab grows these 3 larva stages coupled with a presole stage. It is called the Japanese spider crab because it's commonly found in the Pacific waters of Japan. Macrochiria kympheri can be found primarily on the sandy and rocky continental shelf and slope of the Pacific coast. The Japanese spider crab is nothing compared to a whopper caught in 1921, which had an arm span of 380 centimeters. In 2019, Crabzilla, the largest ever caught, was over 370 centimeters long. This is not the biggest animal, but the Japanese spider crabs are quite fascinating. Largest arthropod ever existed, Jaclopterus. Jaclopterus belongs to a genus of predatory eurypterids, a group of extinct aquatic arthropods. Arthropods are invertebrate animals, which means they lack vertebral columns. They have exoskeletons, and examples of arthropods include crabs, insects, and spiders. The largest ever found arthropod was a sea scorpion called Jaclopterus. In the animal world, Jaclopterus is not the biggest animal. This sea scorpion is also the largest known eurypterid to have ever existed. Jaclopterus was discovered to have an amazing growth rate and could grow up to 250 centimeters long. This discovery was determined based on a claw from the Amiesian Klir Formation of Willerauth, Germany. The fossil is about 36.4 centimeters long, but the amazing part is that this sample is missing a quarter of its length. This means that the sea scorpion is longer than the 36.4 centimeters previously recorded. Some scientists have suggested the full claw would have been 45.5 centimeters. Largest animal that ever walked on Earth, sauropods. Sauropods, who belong to the clawed Sauropoda, are known to be the largest dinosaurs that ever graced the Earth with their activities. The sauropods existed around 150 million years ago. They are also known as herbivorous dinosaurs, which means that they feed on plants. They weighed around 80 metric tons, which is equivalent to 80,000 kilograms. Their length ranged from 15 meters to 25 meters. The longest dinosaur ever found as a complete skeleton is Diplodocus, which was 25 meters long. The Diplodocus skeleton is currently on display in the United States at Pittsburgh's Carnegie Museum of Natural History. Diplodocus has been crowned the longest dinosaur known for a near-complete skeleton, but there are many theories complaining that there are bigger dinosaurs in the past. It is believed that the gigantism of sauropods could be attributed to high basal metabolic rates and increased growth rates. Largest bird alive today: ostrich. What if we tell you that the largest living bird can't fly? Ostriches are the largest living bird on Earth. They produce the largest egg ever produced by a bird, about 15 centimeters long. The largest living bird has 3 stomachs. Ostriches can't fly, not because they are the largest living bird, but because lack the kneel that stores the long pectoral muscles required to fly. They can't fly, but they can run. The largest living bird is also the fastest running bird in the world. Ostriches can run continuously from 48 kilometers per hour to 60 kilometers per hour, and they can increase their speed to 70 kilometers per hour. Pray you don't get chased by an ostrich. They're commonly found in the Sahara Desert and eastern and southern Africa. With their long necks, most ostriches are usually around 280 centimeters tall. Adult ostriches weigh around 114 to 137 kilograms. When examined, it was discovered that each eye of an ostrich is 5 centimeters wide. They also have long and strong legs that they use to run and defend themselves. Largest bird that ever existed: Pelagornis sandersii. Pelagornis sandersii has been crowned the largest bird ever to have flown on Earth over the Argentavis. The Pelagornis sandersii is a giant seabird that is as wide as a very small plane. The fossilized remains of this bird were found by paleontologists in the United States of America. It was discovered that the fossil's wings can stretch a whopping 640 centimeters, and that's about twice of the royal albatross. The gigantic bird that would have looked like a huge seagull existed in what is now North America about 28 million years ago. When confirming this discovery, a scientist said that the Pelagornis sandersii could probably have glided around 63 kilometers per hour. It is believed that the Pelagornis sandersii would have to run downhill like planes do taxi to take off into flight. The fossil used to make this research is currently in the Charleston Museum. Largest mammal that ever walked the Earth: Paraceratherium. Have you heard this name before? Probably not. The giant rhino, also known as the Paraceratherium, has been dubbed the largest mammal that ever walked on Earth. Paraceratherium means near the hornless beast, and it has been proven that giant rhinos are hornless mammals. The largest mammal that ever roamed the land weighed around 20,000 kilograms. That's the weight of about 4 African elephants. They were long-necked and tall enough to eat the leaves off tall trees. They are taller than giraffes. The largest skulls of the largest mammals are around 130 centimeters long. The Paraceratherium went into extinction after surviving for about 11 million years because of climate change or invasion by Gomphotheropus from Africa in the later Oligocene or low production rate. None of these factors have been confirmed to be the reasons. They are just theories. The modern rhinoceros have been linked to these gigantic hornless mammals. Largest of the largest: blue whales. Blue whales have been popular for a while. Blue whales are known for their large size, and they have been crowned as the largest and biggest animal ever to have lived. They are also known as the largest living mammals, as they weigh up to 181,400 kilograms. That's the weight of about 34 elephants. The most surprising part is that these aquatic animals are larger than the largest dinosaur, even the sauropods. The blue whale, also known as Balænoptera musculus, is about 23 to 30 meters long. The longest blue whale ever recorded was about 33 meters long. If you have never seen a blue whale, just imagine a swimming Godzilla or King Kong. Even at birth, blue whale calves are the biggest babies on Earth, with an average length of 8 meters and a weight of 4,000 kilograms. Even with their gigantic sizes, blue whales have a cruising speed of 8 kilometers per hour, and they can go as fast as 32 kilometers per hour. With that fascinating information on blue whales, we have come to the end of this video. If Parasauritherium or sauropods live in the same era, who do you think will be the predator? Let us know in the comments. And if you learned something new in this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the world's best and worst for more videos. Toggle on the notification bell so that you can be among the first set of subscribers to see our videos.